How long is the shelf life of Vaseline?
Hello there, and welcome to this informational video. Today we're going to discuss a common household item, Vaseline. More specifically, we'll be tackling the question, how long is the shelf life of Vaseline? This is important to know so that you can use the product safely and effectively.
What is Vaseline?
First, let's begin by understanding what Vaseline is. Vaseline, also known as petroleum jelly, is a mixture of mineral oils and waxes. It was discovered in 1859 when a British chemist noticed a residue from oil drilling that had potential healing properties. Since then, Vaseline has been used for a variety of purposes, from healing minor cuts and burns to moisturizing skin.
Does Vaseline expire?
The next question we might ask is, does Vaseline expire? The answer is not straightforward. Officially, Vaseline does not have a specific expiration date. The properties of Vaseline, being non-reactive and stable, make it suitable for long-term storage. It doesn't break down in the same way food or certain medicines might. However, over time, it can still experience changes in texture or color. That's why it's always a good idea to replace your Vaseline if it's been opened for a long time or has been stored improperly.
How long can we safely use Vaseline?
So, how long can you safely use Vaseline? The general rule of thumb is to use it within 2 to 3 years of purchase if it's been opened, or within an additional year or two if it's been kept sealed. Why? Well, while Vaseline itself doesn't expire, the product can become contaminated with bacteria or other particles, especially if it's been opened and your fingers have been in contact with it. Remember, these are guidelines and not hard and fast rules. If your Vaseline changes color, smell, or texture, it's best to toss it and get a new one. In conclusion, while Vaseline doesn't have a specific shelf life or expiry date, it's recommended to use it within 2 to 3 years of opening, or within a few years after purchase if unopened. This ensures you're using a product that's at its best and is less likely to be contaminated. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you found this information useful. Stay safe, and remember, when in doubt about the state of your Vaseline, it's always better to replace it.